In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best soldering stations available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the soldering stations mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, YIHUA 982 Precision Soldering Station. The YIHUA 982 heats up in just 2 seconds, ensuring quick and efficient soldering. It integrates essential tools like tip storage, an iron holder, a solder wire dispenser, and a cleaning tool for a clutter-free workspace. With universal voltage support, 110V, 240V, and 4 memory presets, it offers ease of use and adaptability. This soldering station is perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike, delivering precision and convenience in one package. Get it now at 58% off for only $56.85. Number 4, AIFEN A9 Plus Soldering Station. The AIFEN A9 Plus is a high-powered 120W soldering station designed for electronics and DIY enthusiasts. It supports various soldering tips, 210/115/245/470, making it a versatile choice for different projects. With precise temperature control and rework capabilities, it ensures high-quality results. Whether you're working on delicate circuits or large-scale repairs, this station provides the power and precision you need. Grab this efficient and durable station now at 60% off for just $101.50. Number 3, SUGEN A9 Intelligent Soldering Station. The SUGEN A9 is designed for professionals and electronics enthusiasts who demand precision. Featuring an advanced PID program, it maintains accurate temperatures for optimal soldering. The automatic sleep mode enhances energy efficiency, while the S191 temperature calibrator ensures precise calibration. It supports multiple soldering tips, I, IS, K, for various applications. This intelligent soldering station is a must-have for high-quality work. Now available at 63% off for just $69.37. Number 2, BAKON BK602S Soldering Rework Station. The BAKON BK602S is a 2-in-1 soldering and rework station, ideal for cell phone repair professionals. It features a high-efficiency soldering iron and a powerful hot air gun. The large HD LCD screen provides clear temperature readings, while the ESD-safe design protects sensitive components. With rapid heating and precise control, this station ensures top-notch performance. Upgrade your repair setup now at 10% off for just $91.32. Number 1, RF4 1000W Digital Hot Air Rework Station. The RF4 1000W Digital Hot Air Rework Station is perfect for PCB chip repair. It features a digital display for precise temperature adjustments and an intelligent BGA rework system. With dual voltage support, 110/220V, and CE certification, it's safe and suitable for global use. This high-power station ensures reliable performance for professional repair jobs. Get it now at 54% off for just $87.20.